Directorist version 8.7 comes with two powerful new custom fields, button and HTML. In this video, I'll show you exactly how they work and more importantly, how your listing owner can actually use them to drive action. First, let's start with the button field. Go to Directory Builder, add listing form. Under custom fields, you will find the new button field. Just drag and drop it into your form. Now from the listing owner's perspective, it's very simple. They just need to add a label like book a table, visit website or get a quote and a URL where that button should lead. That's it. Super simple input but very powerful output. Now let's control where this button shows up. Go to single page layout, listing header, enable the button label, and now the button appears right next to call now and email. So imagine this, a spa owner adds a book appointment button linked to their booking page. The moment a visitor opens the listing, boom, the action is right there. You can also place the button inside listing contents if you want it lower on the page. Or even better, use both placements together, depending on your layout strategy. Now here's where things get really interesting. Go to all listing layout, click the plus icon inside the action section and add the button label. Now the button shows directly on the listing card. So instead of opening the full listing, a visitor can just click order online or visit site straight from the card. Less friction, faster action, and that means more value for your listing owners. Next, let's talk about the HTML field. Again, go to add listing form, custom fields, and drag it in the HTML field. Think of this as an open canvas inside your listing. Your listing owners can embed almost anything here. For example, a restaurant can paste an open table reservation widget. User can book directly, no redirects, no extra steps. Inside the field setting, you can add a label and description, so you can guide your listing owners on exactly what kind of quote to paste. Now go to single page layout, listing contents, and place the HTML field wherever you want. Once added, you can also assign an icon to improve visual clarity. And whatever HTML your user add, it renders directly on the page. It could be a booking form, a promotional banner, or a map embed. So now your listing is not just static information, it becomes interactive and actually usable. So with these two fields, button and HTML, your listing owner can now do much more than just show contact details. They can drive real action directly from the listing. Before updating, make sure to back up your site, then update directory score to version 8.7 from your WordPress dashboard. Let me know in the comments if you have any question, and I'll see you in the next one.
Directorist, a revolution in directory solution.